Open could be setting up for a massive short squeeze. I'm talking bigger than AMC, bigger than GME. I'm talking the real mother of all short squeezes. In today's video, we're going to be discussing exactly what else going on regarding Open and much more. Now, congratulations to everyone who has been following me for a while now. You know, about a couple of weeks ago, guys, I came out with this video telling guys that this is not over when it comes to Open. As you guys can see, it came out on July 22nd after the stock had this massive freaking crash from $4 all the way down to $3.20. Listen to what I said.
This is not over when it comes to Open. This is not over when it...
Bang. Now, about a couple of weeks ago, I came out with this video as well when the stock was trading at approximately $4.50. Listen to what I said.
For me, again, it's going to hold the $4 to $5 range until we do hear certain news, specific news, whether it's regarding Opendoor or the market's continue trending up. If the market's continue trending up, it's going to go up and test the $6 levels. It's not going to break the $6 for me. This is what I believe. It's not going to break $6 without Opendoor specific news. That's what I believe.
Bam, right? So listen to what I said. It's not going to break above $6 without Opendoor specific news. Now, what makes the $6 level so freaking important, right? And why did I put so much emphasis on $6? Because $6 is where the stock actually had as its previous resistance. If you look over here, right, on the, let's go on the 4-hour. Right, the last run that I did, it was 587. Now, if you know anything about support and resistance, the support and resistance is actually a range. It is not just a single freaking line on the chart, right? So the 587 level really ends up becoming the $6 levels, right? And the $6 level ends up going all the way upwards of $6.10 because break of resistance doesn't mean resistance is broken. Break of confirmation of resistance, that's what indicates that resistance is actually broken. Now, why do we use break of resistance, break of confirmation of resistance, instead of just break of resistance? Because we don't want to be getting fake breakouts, right? We don't want to be having false breakouts. And this is the number one problem that a lot of people see, right? They look at the $6 level, they say, okay, $6 is resistance. Then the stock gets to $6.02. They're like, we did it. We broke the level. Hallelujah. $50, here we come. It doesn't work like that, okay? It doesn't work like that. So you gotta always remember, right? Give the stock a little bit of a room for buffer. And that little bit of a room for buffer, that it will double your success rate. I'm not even joking. It will double your success rate when it comes to playing breakouts, right? So the number one problem that I see a lot of people have is, you know, they're not willing to make small sacrifices in their wins in order to increase their win rate exponentially. So think about it, right? Instead of trying to play $6 or $6.01, imagine you play $6.05 or $6.07, $6.08. Now, what you're sacrificing is 1%, but that 1% gain that you're sacrificing is exponentially increasing your odds of being correct about the actual breakout. That's it. It's really that simple. Now, why do I say that Open could have a massive short squeeze? Okay. So this $6 level is really where a lot of shorts have placed their stop loss, okay? The $6 range is really where a lot of shorts have gone ahead and they have placed their stop loss when it comes to Opendoor, okay? So for me, when it comes to Opendoor, guys, the break of the $6 level, if we manage to actually break above the $6 level, which again, right now, it's a little bit up in the air, right? It's testing it, it's kind of flirting with the $6 level, right? And, you know, previously I told you guys that without news, I don't see it breaking in. And right now, it's hard to really say whether or not it's going to manage to break it. But if we do break it, $8 is going to be coming. $8 is going to be coming. Now, what makes me say that Opendoor can have a short squeeze bigger than AMC and GME? That's because what AMC and GME did, where they shot themselves in the foot, is not something that Opendoor is going to need to do. Opendoor is already cash flow positive. Opendoor is already in a position now. Cash flow positive and freaking profitable are two different things. But what that really means is that they're not in a position to go ahead, that they don't need funds. They don't need to go ahead and dilute. And if they truly believe that their stock is overbought, guess what's going to happen? You're going to more likely than not see a shares buyback before you see dilution. This is something that you could never wish a company like GME and AMC who's just eating. They're just eating away from their investors. They don't care about, GME doesn't care about you. AMC doesn't care about you. They don't care. They don't care that they have their retail supporters. They don't care. Do you know how I know they don't care? When they come out with offering after offering after offering after offering. Now, what I'm talking about right now is more specifically about AMC. However, GME does also fall under this category. When you get someone like fucking Ryan Cohen come in and he's selling 1 billion shares. Why are you selling so many damn shares? Because you think the stock is up. Because you think that's why you're selling shares. Now I'm gonna get a bunch of nerds and virgins reacting to this video like they always do, right? It's just what happens, right? It's just what happens when you're on YouTube, right? You get a bunch of people who are gonna cry, oh my god, he said what about GME? Oh, he said what about GME? Get out the basement, all right? Touch grass. Touch grass, get out the basement. Y'all said I was crazy when I told you guys that Opendoor was gonna go crazy at 4. Now it's at 6. Bodied. Destroyed. Destroyed. Now, I'll tell you guys this. I'm bullish on GME heading into the earnings. Okay, so that's going to be exciting. But Opendoor is the main meal right now. Okay, Opendoor is the main course. So that's the reason why I think that Opendoor has the potential to be bigger than AMC and GME, is because the company's at a level right now that it's harnessed a lot of retail investor support. B, it just broke it just potentially, we'll say potentially, we don't know yet if it broke 6 or not, it's flirting with 6. It just potentially broke above a massive level of resistance. C, the company is already cash flow positive, so they don't need to dilute. That's it, all right? That's it. Now listen, if you guys want to know exactly what I'm buying, exactly what I'm selling every single day, our Discord is the only Discord in the world. I promise you, I'm not even joking. It's the only trading Discord in the world that comes with a 2 weeks free trial and on top of it, a 30 days money back guarantee. No one else is doing this. Do you know why no one else does this? I'll tell you why no one else does this. It's because they want you to come in, right? And then they're preying on the fact that you forget to cancel your subscription and then you pay them. We don't want that shit. The fuck does it look like? That's why we offer a 30 days money back guarantee, meaning when your card gets charged, 30 days after, ask for a refund, bam, you're good to go. It's that simple, okay? Give it a shot. Give it a shot. We already have over 400 members coming back month after month. There's a reason why they're coming back. It's because they're making money, right? It's because they're making money. Literally, look at this. Opendoor. Bang. My man. LMT. Bang. They're posting this right now, guys. Posting this right now. LMT again. So the Discord will give you access to my day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, right? And we've been crushing it, man. Literally yesterday, another good day, 3 out of 3 trade, $184. 30K combined. Today's gains 2 accounts. Read what my man said. Literally Friday. Great week, thanks to the amazing team here. If you aren't taking on these alerts, you're missing on easy money. I appreciate you, brother. So listen, 7 days free trial, 2 weeks free trial. Previously we used to do a 7 day free trial, now we're doing a 2 weeks free trial. Check it out. Check it out. You won't forget. You won't regret it, okay? You won't regret it. It's that simple. Anyways, I appreciate I'm losing my train of thought because I'm also like reading some of these messages. Thank you, the ultimate thank you goes to Top Trade Academy. Joining this Discord has been life-changing. Thank you. 16K last month. 6x when I joined this Discord, my goal was 1 to reach in less than a month. This Discord is by far the best. I appreciate you, brother. Thank you. Listen, give it a shot. Give it a shot. That's all I can say, okay? Anyways, I appreciate you. Oh, one more thing as well. Right now, we extended ourselves for Labor Day. The next 10 members that join right now, I added 10 more spots. The next 10 members that join, 50% discount. Lock in those good prices. See if you like it for the first 2 weeks. It's free. After that, if you like it, stick around. If you make money, stick around. If you don't, pack your bags and leave and never ever come back again. It's the obvious, move for me. Again, that's what I would do, right? Doesn't mean you got to do it, right? But it's the common sensical move for me. Anyways, thank you for watching. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.